Welcome to this epic tutorial about creating a 3D scene, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create such an animation with a 3D scene with maybe an animation just walking around in a good graphics like what you see on the screen. See, this animation is just walking around a very good tarmac around, and it's not a hard thing to do it, so I'll quickly show you how to create this within minutes. So before we begin, the most important thing that you need to be having is a cartoon animator, and everything else will be, so it comes with its own package and stuff. So, and maybe an image, a 3D image which you would like to use. So without wasting time, let's get started. So to get started, all you need to do is to have a 3D scene with you, whatever scene you have. I have an image which I downloaded in the Google. Feel free to have any image that you want. So what you need to do with your image loaded in your computer, you just come and drop it here in the scene. Then when this pops up, just select the background and it just fills the entire screen, the entire scene. Then the next thing, you on the right side of your cartoon animator, you come here and select actor, come to characters G360 and come here to humans. You can choose whatever character you want. For some reason let me choose this one that is called Philip, which is a G3 and is walking sideways. You can choose whichever you want, but I will choose this. Then you come and drop it in the scene. Then immediately it's loaded on the scene. The next thing is to make sure that you put it where it looks as if it's more realistic. And then the next thing is just to come here in the motions. In the motions, you come here to animation, and then motions, and then G3 humans. This is a male character, so come here male, and there's a side movement. So come here on the down. You can choose something like let me check the best movement which you don't have to use lots of it. Let's try this and see how far it goes. Now let's try a movement like this. Yes, this one. So what you need to do, since the character is moving, the next thing is to open the motion editor here below. In MacBook, you click function, then F3. In the computer, I think it's also the same, or Control F2, whichever you want, or Shift try, whichever works for you. That one, I think you're on your own. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that the animation begins at 0. So you have to make sure that here it's at 0, 0, 0. So you come here and take it back to 0. Then after that, come here and take your image, this character, and then once it's selected, take it just outside the scene. Take it outside the scene. And then after that, you drag it up to wherever the image goes. Then immediately where the image stops moving, that's where you come and drop another. Then we come here to motion so that we can see it well. After here, and click here, and then you break. I think it was this one. That's here. Then come here, and you can also break it again. Remove this final end. Then come and add another motion until it just goes, and then here again you break this one as well. Then after this, you come and put another one image. So what happens is that the image, if you just go back to where the scene begins and then you play it here, you find that it's playing and the image is just, the animation is just playing across the street. And that's how you create the whole scene, 3D scene, and the cartoon just goes around the screen. So if you like this video, click subscribe, like and share.